Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. My name is Jimmy, and I will guide you in a mindful meditation with a focus on the breath, the body, and sound. If you're anxious, tight, or in pain, this is a wonderful practice and tool to help you find ease in body and mind and relieve symptoms of stress and anxiety. With continued practice, you will sharpen this tool of awareness and be able to quickly invite balance and ease in any moment of your daily life. Let's experiment together and invite some play into this meditation. Now, when you're ready, take a few moments to adjust into a comfortable seated position, either in a chair or on a cushion on the ground. And allow your eyes to close or let your soft gaze be relaxed and downwards a few feet in front of you. Let your hands rest on your lap or legs, wherever they feel most comfortable. And feel your body on the ground. Let your bones be heavy, and gently trace the area where your body makes contact with the ground. Your feet, parts of your legs, your seat. Sit with a tall spine, but not too rigid. Imagine a string is attached to the crown of your head. The string is very gently pulled upwards towards the sky. The pull of the string lifts your chest and spreads your collarbones like wings. Allow your shoulders to relax and fall down your back like a waterfall. You should feel slightly taller and comfortable and be breathing easily. If you feel strained or tense, you're overcorrecting your posture. Soften everything just a bit, and you are there. Now, take a few deep breaths into your belly and invite some ease into this area. Exhale with a sigh. And now let go even deeper. When you're ready, let your breath be natural and feel your body being breathed. Is the breath long or short, choppy or smooth? Where do you feel the breath? In your nostrils as the air comes in and out, in your chest expanding and contracting, or in your belly? Be curious how the breath changes from one moment to the next. It may be slow and deep one breath, and then as quiet as a whisper the next. If it helps, you can use mental notes like in and out, or breathing, breathing, or notice the rising, duration, and passing of the simple inflow and outflow of the breath, one breath at a time, slowly, slowly. And when your mind goes into thinking, planning, or remembering, gently return your awareness to the breath. Keeping a light touch of focus on your body being breathed, bring your attention now to your facial muscles and invite some ease here. Let your jaw, tongue, and cheeks be heavy. Tune into the felt sensations in your hands. Allow them to soften. You may notice tingling, warmth, coolness, vibration. Can you sense the breath in your hands? You may notice a pulsation. As you continue your light investigation of curiosity, you'll notice the breath change in your body from one moment to the next, and the sensations in your hands change as well. Let's keep it simple and continue to renew our light touch of focus on the sensations felt in our hands and our body being breathed. again and again. As we continue, we can expand our lens of awareness from our breath and the sensations of being breathed, but also to notice sounds. Start by noticing any sounds inside the room. Now, notice any sounds outside the room. And let the sounds come to you, without thinking about where the sounds come from, liking them or disliking them. Simply notice how a sound arises, has a lifespan, and then fades away. It may help to use a mental note like hearing, hearing, as you come back to this sensation. Your facial muscles are relaxed. Feel the string above your head gently pulling upwards, and your collarbones open, the body soft. Your breath is quiet, noticing, watching, curious. When your mind wanders, this is completely normal. It's really a magic moment and a step on the path. With a light touch, simply use the next sound you hear, or sensation felt in your hands, or the felt sensation of the body being breathed as your anchor, again and again. For the last few minutes of this meditation, take note on how the body feels. Is it tight or at ease? Warm or cool? How's the mental landscape? Full of thought or spacious? How's the breath? Quiet? Loud? We give thanks to the teachers and ancestors who passed on these teachings. May the benefits of this practice fill you with joy, loving kindness, compassion, safety, inclusion, peace, ease, and freedom from suffering. And may all beings near and far, above and below, be loved and know they are loved, full of joy, good health, safety, and included. Bless your thoughts, words, intentions, and actions. When you're ready, slowly deepen your breath. Feel your body on the ground, and perhaps touch your hands to the ground. At the beginning of your next inhalation, slowly blink open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today, and please comment on what you notice in this guided meditation. I look forward to practicing with you soon.